Beneath the surface of a quiet stream, hidden under smooth stones and grains of sand, a hidden world is alive. Here, in the cold and clean waters, live some of nature's most secretive and fascinating architects, the caddisfly larvae. To the untrained eye, they may seem like simple worms. But look closer. Each one of them carries its home on its back, a house made of pebbles, twigs, tiny shells. Held together by silk, they spin themselves, like underwater snails in armor. Why do they build these homes? Protection, camouflage, survival. Inside these small portable shelters, the larvae feed, grow, and wait. They are not just insects, they are engineers, working silently beneath the flow. Their cases are not random. Each species uses different materials in different patterns. Some prefer sand, others leaves, and some even decorate their shells with tiny gemstones of nature. Some aquatic larvae can survive without oxygen for hours by slowing down their heartbeat, almost like falling into a deep, living sleep. Catisfly larvae spend most of their lives underwater, anywhere from a few months to a year, hidden in the shadows. Their presence tells us something important. This stream is clean, unpolluted, because caddisfly larvae only survive in pure, oxygen-rich water. For weeks, sometimes months, they live unseen, until one day, a quiet transformation begins. The larva seals itself inside its case, and there, in darkness, it changes. Its body reshapes, wings form, and finally, it rises, breaking free from the water, leaving the stone home behind. It becomes a flying caddisfly, ready for a brief life above the stream. And until then, they remain, waiting for that moment. Millions of years ago, they lived beneath stone and shadow. And to this day, those same larvae remain, unseen, ancient. Fascinating, isn't it? And maybe, right now, as you walk by the river's edge, beneath some forgotten stone, a larva stirs in the shadows, waiting for its time to rise. And so, the cycle begins again.